So today we're going to look at how to turn off the screensaver on MacOS. So this can get a little bit irritating for some people if they move away from the screen for a little while. You can make adjustments on how long the screensaver will wait before it comes on, or you can turn it off permanently. We're going to do permanently for my computer, but you can choose whatever you want. So the first thing we're going to go down to is System Preferences, and then we're going to go down to Desktop and Screensaver, and then we can choose down here Start After, and we can choose whatever we want. For me, I choose Never. I'm happy with that. There's also some other options. You can show it with a clock or random screensavers, but for this exercise we're only going to change when it's going to turn on or keep it off. So that's it for that one.